All right. So here we are once again. As for now, well, I have just one last trade happening on Nasdaq, which is basically my last trade of today. Um, yeah. Some small losses have been accumulating, like some actually a lot of break-even trades, like today. But anyway, the point is, first of all, I was late to the session. I was busy today, so I didn't engage in the Omer or anything, like in none of the assets. Assets actually, there was pretty good opportunities in gold, but anyway, I just missed it, so I'm not gonna do. Point is, yeah, I'm gonna go through the trades that I've been taking after I actually got active. First of all, here, this 1 and 3, I actually just bought here when this bar came down retesting after the close. When it closed, I actually just bought here. It was a break-even trade, 1 and 3 as well. Actually, 3 was here on this bar. After this bar actually took the previous bar low and it came up close, so I bought the break of this bar here, but it wouldn't hold, so I actually got to stop break even as well here in the third trade. The second one was basically again retest down. I actually here I waited. I noticed that the retest it was coming down here to the low and then it was trading higher. So on the break of the same bar, I entered again on the second trade. So after that, basically fourth was the same. Previous bar low taken here. I wasn't sure of buying here, so I just waited. So I was like this close here. So I bought this bar, came down, then retested, and then when it broke again, I bought. Then again, break even trade pretty much there as well. Here, once again, um, I waited for this bar here. Same thing. It came down barely to the low, and then traded higher, broke. I actually entered again here. It was like minus 20 or something. I can't remember, but it was quite tiny, tiny, tiny loss here. 6, the same rejection when it was starting to trade higher after this took the loss here and everything. Again, I bought the market here, and again, a break-even trade. And here, this is the last one, basically the seventh trade that I actually have now. Same thing. This bar came here to the low of the down bar, and then when it broke higher on the rejection, I just bought it. I bought the market again, and I'm just gonna wait because well, market earlier here, I wasn't trading at this point, but anyway, it tagged this area here from the RTH, which is basically this area of the 12th of February high. So yeah, there is retracing, but it doesn't seem to want to go any lower. And the volume is actually drying quite a lot. So I think if there is to be a push, if the price retests this area again, it's likely to, if it breaks it and close above, it's likely to take February high, February 12th high. So I'm letting it be. If it breaks these highs, it might get there. If not, then it's gonna be a red day. I'm not gonna trade anything else anymore. And this is it. And goal, few break even trades here, few losses here, same. This one it was also a small loss here. I like the previous bar low taken here on the retest, and then the close to the upside. So I bought this bar again. It broke lower and then higher, and then I bought the break, and it wouldn't hold. So that's pretty much it. That's what I got to stop out there. Small risk here again. Previous bar low taken on the retest. Then this bar when it came back up after the rejection. So then when I noticed that there was interest to the upside, I bought the break again and then well break even trade here. Then pretty much same here. Actually here again retest again after this close here. It wouldn't hold. So yeah, I gotta stop at small loss here. Here again, I was watching this bar here. I was gonna say inside bar, this bar here, and when it broke a little bit this previous bar high, I thought that okay maybe continue high, but it didn't. So I gotta stop out again here, small risk. And here basically it was this same bar here. I noticed the rejection upside break, so I bought it there. But yeah, anyway, it doesn't seem like it wanna go anywhere for now besides down. So I'm gonna let it be. I'm not gonna do anything else in call. I don't see it clear anymore. So yeah, could do. I don't know. To be honest, like no, I don't wanna guess anything. I'm just gonna let it be for today. I'm gonna watch Nasdaq to see if the trade plays out or something. If it wants to go higher, and if not, then let's see how it ends. For now, that's pretty much it for me. Okay, so I don't know what was it, but basically these happen. So yeah, well, market basically closed, so I actually exited my trade around here. Didn't want to wait for anything weird, so I just basically closed it there. I took some profits, so yeah. Anyway, it's a minus 80 or something red day, so yeah, I'm not gonna do. I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna gather a little bit of information to see what happened. But yeah, Well, trade was good. At some point, it was about like over 100, maybe 20, 30 or something. But yeah, then it's just tracing down. So that's when I basically uh, closed here. I think it was around here when the market actually closed. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, let's see what's for the rest of the week as well.